What's up, guys? My name is Phil. Welcome back to Miranda Detailing. Now, I know what you're going to say. You're on vacation. Why are you making a video? Well, I'm excited because I have the new Auto Surface Protection trim coating, and I want to use it on my in-laws' truck here. So guys, if you're enjoying videos like this, and I hope you are, consider subscribing and clicking that bell so you don't miss stuff. Okay, so my in-laws 2011 Nissan Frontier. Plastic on here is looking pretty faded, and of course, look, we are in the midst of Adirondack trees, pines, all sorts of stuff. You just saw that our poor car is getting trashed. So, yep, we'll see how the coating fares on the hood when we get back. But let's take a look at this trim. And yeah, it's pretty faded out. Yep, that's pretty bad. So, I don't have any of my traditional cleaning tools here, no pressure washer, degreasers, anything. I brought along a little box of stuff. I have some alcohol, isopropyl alcohol here, and I have the Apex Surface Protection trim here. So we're going to use this on the back bumper. Now I just have a little bit of a detail spray that I'm going to kind of use as like a waterless wash, basically, just to get the junk off. And I know this has polymers in it and all of that stuff, but that's okay. Now, as far as the durability test on this, well, I'm not going to be able to see this vehicle possibly within a year, maybe even more. My in-laws live in northern New York. Of course, we're down in Richmond, Virginia. So hopefully I'll have them keep track of it and see how it looks in the next couple of months. And then we'll see how well the coating fares. And we also get some pretty nasty winters up there in northern New York. So we'll see how the coating does, and maybe we'll see it in about a year and see what it looks like. So in this little bottle I have just pure isopropyl alcohol. So that's what I'm going to use to prep it. And now for the coating itself. It does come with a little pipette, whatever you would like to call it, but I'm going to put it right here on the little applicator that Brian also sells, and just apply enough like that to apply onto the trim. Right away I can tell it darkens it, and this isn't black, this is actually a gray trim, so I'll be using this on our customers' vehicles to see how it fares on black trim, but it will restore it and protect it. So I'm going to let that soak in, and already it restores it, makes it look really nice. Of course, we got damage back here, but already it looks many times better. Now, how about the windshield cowl? Yep, pretty bad. So let's wipe this down, IPA it, and apply the trim coating. So after giving it a few minutes to soak in, you can wipe any of the residue. Get it off the glass, get it off the paint if you got some on the paint. I also put it on the windshield wiper arms. So now after you wipe it down, it looks beautiful. It looks really nice. Let whatever is going to soak into the plastic do its work and soak in. Now it looks brand new. You can put 2 applications if you want, but let's go with 1 and let's see how it holds up. And it's just going to cure outside here. There's no rain in the forecast, but we'll see how well it does. Now there are some bug etchings in here that are really etched in the plastic. It ruined it. So not much I can do there. But I'm going to do this one side mirror and leave the other one untouched. And I know I'm not wearing gloves, so if you get it on your hands, just wash your hands immediately, which I'm going to do. Application is extremely easy, just like any other plastic coating. So again, let it soak into the plastic. Very nice. And once it's had enough time to soak in there, you can wipe off any excess with a clean towel. Again, get it off the glass, get it off the paint. Looks like brand new. Compared to the passenger side. So let's take a look at the plastic on the bumper. Once again, it's had about 15 to 20 minutes to set. We've already wiped it down and it's looking really, really nice. Now with trim restoration, we're not looking for glossy, shiny, and all of that. This provides a natural finish for the plastic and rubber as well. So don't think that you're going to be getting a super high glossy plastic type of dressing. That's not what it is. It's a coating. So it's going to look factory fresh. It's going to look new again, which it does. Okay guys, so that's going to do it for today's video. I know, a little unorthodox video. I don't really have any of my detailing equipment here at all. But since I have the coating, I was excited to use it and I figured, hey, why not give it a try here on this vehicle? We're out in the woods and it's not the best way to apply a coating like this. So this is not a tutorial or anything like that. But really, you can apply it the same way on your customers' vehicles, on your own vehicle. If I was in my garage shop, then we would have, of course, washed the vehicle and deconned it, and the plastic would be nice and clean, and we would just wipe it down with an IPA and then apply the trim coating like we usually do. So if you want to see those videos, stay tuned. Check out the rest of our videos as well. At the end of the video, you'll see a box. At the end, you'll see all sorts of different exterior videos that you can check out. But so far, really happy with this trim restore and coating. Now we're talking up to 2 years protection on this. We've used other coatings like the Quartz Deluxe, G-Technic G4, a few other ones, and those ones are amazing. So this will be added to our collection and onto our selection for coatings for your plastic and rubber trim. So if you want to get your hands on these, check out the links down below. Again, Brian is a good friend of mine from Apex Detailing. I'm sure a lot of you know that he's come out with his new products, and he's really specializing in the coating field. So he has his coatings, his metal oxide coating, his one coating. We have both of those, which we're going to be using soon, as well as the Rehydra sheet and Rehydra bead, which I got some more information on those. Pretty amazing products. The versatility on those alone, both interior and exterior of the car, you can use them on. So I'll talk about that more later. Once again, guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell so you don't miss stuff. We'll see you guys next time. Have a great week.